Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Noob. In this video, we'll be discussing if you're new to cloud, why you should invest your time in learning cloud, and what can your study path be to get into cloud if you want to pursue a career in cloud computing. You might be a developer or in technical sales or even someone in any other role related to the tech industry, and you might wonder why you should even learn cloud. Is what you're already doing not enough for your career? The answer is that it depends on what you want for the future. If you check the top 10 disruptive skills in demand, you might find that cloud computing has been on the list now for a while. It's been a desirable skill for various organizations, from small startups to well established organizations. You might wonder, do I need to change my role entirely after learning cloud? And even if it would even help with my current position and career goals? To that question, something that would help is that cloud knowledge nowadays goes hand in hand with pretty much all tech roles, and it can be an excellent addition to your skill set, thereby opening doors to a broader industry. Another reason is that if you're regularly on the lookout for challenging work that involves working on the latest cutting edge technology, working in the cloud industry can provide that for you. Every year, numerous new offerings are released in the market that cloud customers are eager to utilize to make their processes faster and more efficient. Here is some more data for the data lovers out there. This study image here shows us that the cloud computing marketing size is expected to expand super fast. There are new startups already out there who have been utilizing the cloud from the start. If we talk about established organizations, they are either in the middle of migrating their workloads from an on-premise to a cloud infrastructure, or are using hybrid infrastructure models that combine their existing on-premise data centers and cloud. Being in the cloud computing field myself, I've observed that organizations have dedicated cloud teams that comprise of people in areas like cloud security, DevSecOps, infrastructure, application modernization, and development, DevOps, machine learning, and many more. These are just some of the areas where cloud is extensive, allowing you to dive into whatever field interests you. Remember that it's not one or the other, it can be both, or both are often more helpful. For example, if you're a software developer, you might be able to get even more opportunities in your field after having some knowledge of the cloud. And you might not even need to change your day to day job. If you are looking for a way to start learning about cloud and its essentials to succeed in the industry, feel free to follow along this channel. Start with any one cloud provider, AWS, Google, register yourself to get an account. I started my cloud journey with AWS Cloud because I found that its market capitalization was the most and still is. This data was my deciding factor. I always recommend starting small, being regular, and beginning with basic exercises in the cloud provider documentation. There are several websites like Quick Labs which offer an excellent learning platform. In my experience, I have seen that hands-on learning is the best learning method for understanding cloud concepts. Phase 2 should include building personal projects, which involve multiple cloud offerings or services. Projects can be like hosting a static website and creating APIs as examples. That should not be too time consuming, but it should provide a good idea of how those different services work together to form part of a solution. Lastly, book that certification date so that you can set up a cadence to prepare and take the certification. For almost all cloud providers offering those certifications, beginner level certificates can significantly boost your tech profile and help with job search or promotions. You might have the question of which cloud provider you should start learning about first. There are many similarities in the offerings of different public cloud providers, so if you choose one, you might find that others are easier to learn. These are some ideas to help you get started with which cloud provider to choose. One, you can choose the popular one. So many reports suggest that AWS has a leading market share, followed by Azure and then Google Cloud Platform. So another thing that can help you decide is if your current workplace uses a particular provider. So you can go with that one, making it easy for you to bring something back to the table in your day-to-day life and even make your role more impactful. If you're interested in learning what cloud is, I have uploaded a new video where I try to explain all the foundational concepts in an easy way, utilizing illustrations and images. I'm making this channel intending to help newcomers to this field in a way that I would have benefited when I was starting out. Please use the link here to watch that video. That's it, folks. This was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video useful and this video helped raise your interest in learning about cloud computing and understanding how to move along this learning path. I request you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and please comment any feedback or questions or requests that you might have. This will really help me improve my video content, maybe help with that YouTube algorithm. Till next time.